Hello, this is Jyoti from Senso. Today I'm going to show you the Zherpa renewals engine on Salesforce. So this is an app that comes out the box with a member online join automatically connected to a direct debit payment gateway. In this case, I'm going to show you SmarterPay. It also allows staff to add members manually along with mandates. You can pay for your membership in installments, annual, monthly, whatever term you want. You can set it up in the system. We've got renewal configurations that allow you to choose specific groups of members that can renew on specific schedules. And all financial transactions are automatically recorded in a sales subledger. So that means it can be easily exported to any finance system. If we look schematically at this, you'll see that Zherpa has been designed for unions, but it can work for membership associations as well. So it's got member joins for individual members, which I'll show you. It's got the membership renewals and the financials behind that. But there are also add-on accelerator modules for example, elections or events, reporting, as well as integrations for member communications via email, text, or whatever channel you prefer to communicate on. And this is possible because Zherpa is written using Zenso's proprietary middleware platform called Cloud Tools, which links your CRM, in this case Salesforce, to anything else on the web. And in this case, we are connecting it to a direct debit payment gateway. But it can also work for credit card gateways or email marketing engines. You name it, we can connect to it. Let's have a look in a little bit more detail. I'm going to start our journey here on a customer community page for members joining. This page can be augmented, edited by yourselves very easily. It uses Salesforce screen flows. What I'm going to do is just complete this online join. I'm going to choose a membership start date. Let's get rid of that. Choose a membership start date of the 1st of the month. I'm going to choose a full membership and a membership plan of a monthly subscription. I'm going to click next, and now we'll go through to the SmarterPay hosted payment page, which is automatically filled out with the details that I have here. Of course, this page can be branded with your organization's colors and logos, etc. So I'm going to go ahead and put my name and bank sort code and my account number. And what this is going to go away and do is validate these things, that this is correct, using modulus checking. I go through to the next page, and I've got the direct debit guarantee, some more information that you can put in here. And I'm going to go away and confirm my direct debit. So thank you. That mandate has been set up. And when I return to Zenso, this is the customer community portal. We can see that I get a success message, and all that information has been written back into the database. Now let's go ahead and look at Zherpa from a staff member's perspective. So let's go away and just start on a dashboard here. Again, you can have whatever dashboards you want. I've got some engagement dashboards showing in Zherpa, as you would expect, because it's a membership system. So let's go ahead and look for the contact I've just created. There's Jack Pollock. He's joined in the organization. His membership status is pending. He has got a membership against his record. So let's drill into that membership. He can have multiple. I'm just going to look at that one membership. So you can see he has a membership. It's got a current term end date of the 31st of the 5th. He has an item or a product for £200, a full membership product. Let's have a look at that product. So this product is something that you can set up in the system. You can sell as many products as you like. You can set the pricing for them. The pricing could either be a fixed price, as we've got here, for £200, but it could also be a formula-based price that we could write a SQL formula or a flow or even Apex to create custom formulas to work out complex pricing models based on any other data in the system. We can also add VAT and tax onto this, so you can set your tax rates for this and it will add tax lines onto these products. Let's jump back to our membership. The other thing we've got here is a membership plan, and this determines the period over which this product is realized. So in this case, it's a plan, it's a renewal frequency, it would renew monthly. You might pay in a period of 12 installments over a year, and essentially it renews on the anniversary every year in 12 installments. That's how I've set this up, but you can set up any time periods of renewal that you wish for. Okay, we've also got the mandate written against this this particular payment method. So he's lodged his mandate, and that's the mandate ID from the Smarter Pay integration. Now, importantly, with this membership, we write terms. So every time a membership gets created or renewed, you write a term. So a single membership might have multiple terms over the years, over the months that somebody renews. This person's obviously just got one term, and that term is linked to a financial transaction. So it's actually linked to a sales invoice line. Let's go up to the actual parent sales invoice, and we can see that there's a posted invoice for this particular transaction. And I can go away and view this invoice, and I can see we've got a templated invoice merge creation tool, so that can be formatted however you like. There's £200 you can see owing with no VAT on this particular invoice. We can also make these invoices available to members online for them to see or even pay their invoices should you wish. So that's the sales invoice. Now I want to show you a little bit more detail about sales invoice, and here's one I created earlier. So what I want to go away and do is look at a particular sales invoice. This was one for Andy Young, because this sales invoice has a bit more information related to it. It's got a sales invoice line, which is for the full membership, but it has transactions against that line. So if I see there's a transaction here for the receipt, I'm going to go away and drill into that, and I want to show you that behind that transaction there are two transaction lines, double entry sales ledger. One is debiting the bank account or the cash account because we've received money, and the other one is debiting or crediting rather the membership revenue account. So if I drilled into the membership revenue account, you can see here there's a membership code. This is an income ledger code. So we've actually got a mini chart of accounts. It can do multiple business entities, and you can set up your chart of accounts to match your finance system here completely. What that means is that when we're extracting transactions in the format of debits and credits, it's very easy to take those across either in summary or in detail format over to your finance system for ease of integration and for financial integrity. Now, the last thing I want to show you is something that we call renewal configurations. So renewal configurations are templates of saying we want to renew a certain group of members on a certain schedule. So here we've got our renewal configuration. It's called monthly configuration. I want to renew everyone that's got the product of the full membership product that we saw, the item, and anyone who's on the plan of an annual subscription or a monthly subscription, and I want to renew them every time they are 30 days before their lapse date on their membership. Okay, so this is automatically going to schedule that and run that and automatically renew that, create those sales invoices, submit payments to the direct debit payment gateway without you having to do anything. It's all completely automated, no files to upload, no files to download. It automatically speaks to the direct debit gateway, and all your transactions are automatically taken care of within the system. So that very briefly is our Zherpa product. We would love to talk to you about it in more detail. If you want to get hold of us, please do so. Our contact details will be appearing on the screen very shortly. There they are there. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to having some conversations with you. Thanks.